were really it. For all that I know, you could be a duplicate. One and one are two, genetics are really fun. So now there's me and you, I'm not the only one. A fabulous duplication, exactamente, the same creation. Cloning, cloning, copy, copy, cloning, cloning, identical copy. It looks really real, there's no way that you can tell. It starts when you steal an embryonic cell. And when it is done, I hope you come out and play. It will be so much fun with matching DNA. A mirror image, the same reflection, the same smile, the same complexion. Cloning, cloning, copy, copy, cloning, cloning, identical copy. You are me and I am you. We are twins and play a game. Start with one and then there's two. That's why clones are one and the same. Cloning, cloning, copy, copy, cloning.